BBC News. Rwanda has praised as an important step a report by French historians on France's role during the 1994 genocide. The government in Kigali said the conclusions of its own forthcoming investigation would complement the findings of the French Commission. An expert panel convened by President Emmanuel Macron said France bore overwhelming responsibility in relation to the killing of 800,000 ethnic Tutsis and moderate Hutus. President Biden has accused Republicans in Georgia of mounting an assault on voting rights. Mr. Biden said the state's new electoral law amounted to Jim Crow in the 21st century, a reference to measures used to prevent black people from voting in the past. The law tightens voter identification requirements and makes it harder to register. The White House says President Biden has invited his Russian and Chinese counterparts to talks on how to tackle climate change. Washington hopes Vladimir Putin of Russia and Xi Jinping of China will be among 40 leaders attending the climate forum next month. Residents of Paris and several other areas of France with high levels of coronavirus are facing more stringent police checks as the country grapples with rising infections. More than 90,000 officers have been deployed at railway stations, airports and motorway toll booths. At least 32 people have been killed and more than 160 injured in Egypt. Officials say 2 passenger trains collided when the emergency brakes on one of them were triggered by unknown individuals. The US says it's consulting with Egyptian authorities about helping them to reopen the Suez Canal. The main channel of the waterway has been blocked by a grounded container ship since Tuesday. The Italian Prime Minister has threatened legal action against healthcare workers who refuse to be vaccinated against coronavirus after at least a dozen people were infected at 2 hospitals in Liguria through medical staff. BBC News.